there will not be bond anymore. But if our demands are not fulfilled, we'll continue our strike further. We'll be waiting for a few days, for 4 days. After that, if our demands are not fulfilled, we'll carry the movement. Thank you.
What is your demand?
We have given our demand. First, we placed our demand to register FIR against the culprit, against the Tripura Traffic Police, those officials involved into heinous crime. Another demand, we have asked to go for magisterial inquiry, and also withdraw the FIR which is lodged against the victim, against the student. And also we have asked to compensate them. Those are our demands.